Hey everybody, in this video today I'm going to show you how to install a Samsung microwave oven, specifically this model number. Inside the box we're greeted by this. This is the tray that goes inside the microwave along with all the microwave parts. What's most important to me is this sheet right here, which I put against my rear wall. This is one of the two templates. This particular one has to be positioned just like this, just to show me where all the vents are going to stick out and everything like that. Right behind that, I have installed this mounting plate, which is screwed into the wall. Here, here, and one more to the right. With this secure in place, I can now put on this template. This template is showing me where I need to drill the holes in these two areas, and where the vent opening should be, as well as the cord opening. Just got to drill these holes, and then we're good to go. The exhaust of the fan can be found at the top of the microwave. There's this metallic plate that just slides in here, with this little door that flips up when the vent fan is turned on. So now is the part where you have to lift the microwave into the wall, mount it against the back plate, and then put those two screws through the top. It may be beneficial to have a buddy with you to help you out, just because the microwave is pretty heavy when you're trying to mount it alone. The important part here is to make sure that the microwave, or the back of the microwave, slides onto the silver plate that's mounted towards the back, and then you'll be able to tilt it towards the top. Once you tilt it towards the top, you could mount the two screws on the top two holes. With the microwave in place, here's a power cord that goes into the cabinet and then into the outlet there. These two screws are mounted where I drilled these holes earlier. I have one on the left here and one on the right here. Back here you can see the silver plate and that the microwave is mounted right on that silver plate. So it's important to mount the microwave onto the silver plate and then tilt it up, otherwise you're going to have a hard time. Other than that, that's pretty much the installation. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy as long as you have a buddy to help you out. Now for the final touches, this ring goes in here, as well as the turntable, or the glass turntable that goes right on top of it. And that's how I installed my microwave. If this video helped you out, please drop a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.